It's time for some adventure here at Payne Pre Owned McColl with this pre-owned 2021 Ford Bronco Outer Banks Edition. Oh yeah, we've got that golden metallic paint on there. We got our 2.3 liter EcoBoost underneath the hood. Also 17-inch bead-locked wheels with BFG all-terrains. Side steps, we got dual tone vinyl in the front. We also do have this console here with our window controls, go over any terrain mode, console shifter, connectivity, all of our radio and climate controls, navigation, full digital driver information display with one analog gauge, removable hard top. Oh yeah, it's soft. Oh yes it is. Now we got our armrest here, cup holders, seating for 5 total, 3 across the back. The kicking horse, the Bronco right there, big huge floor mats, connectivity, and also we do have a power inverter and window controls. Now we've got the rear gate open, matching tire and wheel, and plenty of room in here with tie downs, 12-volt power and LED lighting, and of course tow hooks for all of those adventurous things. So come on home to Payne Pre Owned McColl on the corner of McCall Road and Business 83 in McAllen, Texas for this pre-owned 2021 Ford Bronco Outer Banks Edition. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne